Right. Hello. This is my website. So my name is Alessandro uh, Castillo, uh, and this is my website for Homework 6. Um, so yeah, this is the Flask web application. And I used the data set I used was for New York City museums. Um, and yeah, so here is the basic home page. As you can see, we have a navigation bar up here, and then it displays we also displayed different, we also have the display of the site title, which is New York City Museum, in the top div right here. And I'll open up the expect. So yeah, you see there, it has the title, navigation bar, and the search button. And then the museum data is stored in the container div below, right here. And so you have the kind of just the header for the list below, and then you have the museum list with different list items all right here. And we can click on one of them, and you'll see this different attributes as a part of the data set. These are all defined in server.py right here, inside of the museum's data set right here. And so they have different ratings, your open descriptions, and then link to the website right here. So if I go back, now if I type in something like art, you'll see two related museums will pop up because they have art in the name. So I can click on the second one. You see all of its information, the website, nearby attractions, art styles, featured artists, notable exhibits, and such. Oh, and yeah, and so whenever I click on one of the museums, so this one is, so the data set here is the view one directory, and this is defined as, and it has the one ID. So you see the ID here is one. So this is the data for all of the Metropolitan Museum of Art. And then like the Museum of Art, or the MoMA would be, you don't see here, but here it'd have ID 2 and be for the directory for view 2. You can see the view HTML here, where it kind of specifies like what the structure of the view screen will be, and then it fills in all the data with the information from the data set in server.py. And so whenever I use the search button, what's happening is it's submitting a GET request to the search directory with the query that I type in. So I type in art, and it sends that to the search directory through the server.py file. So search here, and then it is just display for like the basic the items that will show up inside of layout. So when you click search, this shows the items that match the search basically. But here's where the actual search functionality is taking place and the GET request is happening. And then here's the query, and if there's no query, then it won't do a search. So it's like there's nothing. That's what happens. It just doesn't do anything. You can go back to the home screen. Oh, go back. And then if I delete everything from the search, you see nothing. You still just get the same list that you had. And then, yeah, so yeah, you saw on the server side, search function filters museums that contain art in their name, and the search is case sensitive, as you can see. So if I type in like that's art, And then so if I want to do a search that doesn't have any results, I could do something like ancient, and you'll see no results because none of the museum names match with ancient. And then if I also, another way of returning to the homepage is by clicking the title name. So I click that and it takes me back to the homepage. So like I can go into one, click that, or I can search for art, click that, go back to the homepage. And yeah. So that's my website. Oh, and yeah, here's the functionality for this. This is functionality for returning to the homepage. And this is functionality for the view screen of like viewing the data. And this is for clicking the search button and querying different searches. Submits a GET request. And yeah.